Yeah, now I'm doing North Indian bride. So you can use it as Muslim bride, Punjabi bride, on a sharara, whatever. Right now I'm using eye primer. So when I use color, I can be sure that will stay for a longer time. As I am doing bridal, I am using this palette, okay, bridal palette on her. So I'll start with lighter tone. So it's here, I am using it here and just going above. Okay. So I'm building the color. And a touch of gold, a touch of soft color, a touch of gold color, like this. ये warm colors bright भी बहुत अच्छे जाते हैं. Like for foreigner when we use blue green, but for Indian we have to go very soft like this, but earth color. Okay, and the gold color. ये एक palette enough है. सोफारेल वालों को पकड़ो on the eyeball, just here. That's all. So I'm using the Record ka silky moisturizer. It's really nice. It's very soft and very light. Okay. On top of it, when you use corrector, it will stay for longer time, and it doesn't make the face look oily. Okay. तो ये ग्रिप करेगा, ये जो मेकअप हम डाल रहे हैं ना, इसको ये फिक्स रखेगा. A touch of soft color, a touch of gold color, like this. ये warm colors bright भी बहुत अच्छे जाते हैं. Like for foreigner when we use blue green, but for Indian we have to go very soft like this, but earth color. Okay, and the gold color. ये एक palette enough है. सोफारेल वालों को पकड़ो on the eyeball, just here. That's all. And now you'll see the gloss on the face. It gives a nice shine. So preparation अगर आपकी सही रहेगी तो आपका मेकअप बहुत अच्छा उठ के आएगा. My hands are very soft. The skin is not moving at all. So whenever you're using creamy product, you can use your finger. And when you're using powder, that time you can use brush or puff. So I'm using, this has got base and the corrector together. So you don't have to take 10 things with you. This is under eye. Because I'm trying to make her a little fairer. When you do bride, you have to make them look little brighter. We cannot go tone on tone. So because
How have you given this? It's a highlighter glow. How is this?
no. This is still order ka 3 numbers because 1 or 2 is little brighter for her skin. So as a bride, she's like eyeshadow, liner, and everything will go. So we'll go subtle, but 2-3 shade lighter than her skin. So just 2 puff.
My God, you have such an amazing glow. You're looking so pretty. Glow is, how have you given this glow? Before prep, the skin before?
Preparation, I have done a good preparation. Very good preparation is
Yeah, you can
required.
make out it's looking amazing. You have a lovely glow on the face, yeah. And I love the eyes. Everything, and honestly, everything is to be
I
really
have used this.
superb, superb. So this is all the prep that you've done.
Yeah. So first I've used this, and then I've used this.
Oh yeah, makeup hold. You know what? We always ask for makeup holds, and
And then I've used the character also.
actually this is very
Correct.
important also, na?
Very important. Like एक ये है ना आपको कुछ खरीदने की जरूरत. So first I've used this. On this I've used this and this.
So this is like, I think we all people who don't do
Much makeup.
yeah much makeup, and for every day, I know her. She's been doing it for the last 35 years, 40.
More than 35.
Yeah, 35, 40 years, and I have been lucky to know her also from the past 20 years.
20 years.
But I mean, I know she's a veteran in it, but I would like to say, because we all can't go to the salon,
Yeah.
but what she does,
Amazing,
I've ये तो by chance हो गया, आप लोग इधर हो. Otherwise, I was just
Even
saying,
this. This is also hydrating. You just have to put spray, use this and this. That's all.
so these are, yeah, some
Hydrating spray.
a flairza, what do you call it? A flairza. I think it's doing wonders because she is looking so pretty. You all can see, and I love the makeup. It's like a no makeup, but makeup, but it's superb. And this is what we all want. I won't disturb you with it.
बस जरा सा प्रोडक्ट थोड़ा सा बेटे में लाया देखा बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं बिल्कुल बहुत ज़रा सा सो प्रोडक्ट आपको आईज के नीचे मिड में रखना ही नहीं विदाउट कॉन्टूरिंग आपको दिख रहा है कॉन्टूर हुआ नोज ये देखो ना यहाँ ब्राउन लगाया नहीं है तो एक लाइटर टोन नीचे दे दोगी तो एकदम फर्स्ट क्लास आपको मिल जाएगा कॉन्टूरिंग मिल जाएगा very soft color for her. This will fix the makeup. I always do this. Always take a spray on the puff and then take the powder. So that way it stays for a longer time and it gives a nice finish also. So I'll take this and then I'll put it here. यहाँ पर देखो एक लाइन आ रही है स्पंज. So जब आप पाउडर लगाओगे तो उस लाइन को ख़त्म करो. Very soft. देख रहा?
I'll also buy.
And it's just 800 rupees.
So you can apply this on makeup or before makeup?
Before makeup.
Before, na?
तुमको चाहिए तो मुझे बताना मैं मंगा दूंगी. When I take powder eyeshadow, I take it here. I just remove it so that it doesn't fall on the face, and my little finger is here. That's all. Then change the brush.